Yeah, girl. Yeah. Nice, clean employee. Yeah, where's a while ago? Where's a while ago to me?
Good.
Smell good. Yeah. 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 Nice, clean. Where Abby there? Big up Abby. Yeah. Yeah. Always. Mouth clean. Right fresh. Yeah. Jamaican people want to know about this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, people, so it look like Spice gone to Canada, right? She must reach by now because them video they are from like 15 hours ago. So most definitely she reach and she there Canada right now. Anybody where they are Canada know the show and know what she a do. You see what I say? I look around for see if I see a flyer, but me not see it. But however, we know say she have a show from time at Canada. Me don't know if I that show there. Who know what me a talk about, know what me a talk about, right? But people, Spice post another video, right? And she said she try everything to try to lose weight and nothing not work for her. So she has seek some public advice. You know what I mean? She has seek help from the public. So people more want to take a look at this video. Hear what Spice has say. And if you don't have any suggestion down in the comment section, you know what I mean? Drop it and make you know what go on. And this is not just the Spice alone. So may I say a Spice asks a question, but there's a lot of people out there where might need the information and need help as well for shed a few pounds. You know what I mean? Summer is here and all the ladies them look nice in them bikini already, but sometimes them want to look shape out and look, you know what I mean? I don't know what the thing what me I talk about. So people, without any further ado, take a look at this video and hear what Spicer say. Now we'll talk about it a little more and then we'll move on. Alright, so here goes.
Lose no weight. Me not tell a girl, me know me not go crazy. The people them say, when 7 o'clock come, if I stop eat, me starve myself and nearly dead in my house. Look, most ambulance come pick me out of the house. The people them go back again and them say, me fi eat bare vegetable, me eat bush till me tired, me still I get big and fat. Crazy. Look here, somebody help me and talk to me. See there, somebody here when I say eat protein, can't help me. Don't care what me do. Don't care. So you see Oliver say drink water, me drink gallons. Me drink gallons of water when me look one at the time, me have 2 chin under here, so you crazy?
Yes, people, so now hear what the queen says. She said she try everything what them tell her to do and none of it no work. Them tell her if to stop eat after certain hours, she stop. She said she nearly dropped down, dead fi hungry in the house. You know what I mean? You don't know how that go. Once you used to something and you try for, you know what I mean, start a new habit, it go difficult at first. But if you persist, you will get to it. So I don't know if I that go on with Spice, if she keep it up a little bit more, should I get used to it? I don't know. But sometimes we understand, you know, Spice life is different from like compared to my life. Me might have the time and I can manage my thing a little bit different. But Spice, you know what I mean? Spice thing hectic, people. Spice have shows, Spice have recordings. She's a mom, she's a daughter. You know what I mean? All kind of thing are go on for her. So I understand that. Also, them tell her to drink water. She said that no work neither. You see what I say? And also, them tell herself to do veggies, that no work either. So people, may I ask Uno, anybody with there will lose weight in the past and know how it go? Are you going through that process right now and you know how to lose weight? You know what I mean? Drop it down in the comment section. And like me say, and I just Spice alone, I feel everybody will want this information. You see what I say? Because people out there would like to maybe shed a few pounds. Not that one, you know what I mean? And everybody fat. Cause to me, Spice not really fat. She's thick. You see what I say? But she know why she wants to. You see what I say? Me like them taking all places in all right places, but I just saw that thing they go. You see what I say? It's up to the women them and their ultimate preference how they want to look. You see what I say? So big up the queen one more time.
Vegas, baby. Time to get these awards. We here. The queen is here.
People, me definitely want to move on and talk about our girl Jada Kingdom. The girl been working from where there, right? And one song where named GPP, people. You saw me I say, ladies, you don't know what GPP mean. Want to put it down in the comment section if you don't want. You know what I mean? Use some asterisk or whatever because, you know, it's an explicit word. But people, you know what I mean? It's the good kitty problems. you know, really an a kitty car kitty a K, but you know what I mean, replace the K, I wanna know what go on. But people not like that song there, you saw me I say it bad, it's different, it's unique in its own right, and it show how Jada Kingdom talented, it show her range and it show her ability as an artist. You saw me I say her artistry is just different, people. You saw what me I say, I love it. I never did know say something could have be possible like that, because it's like it's not even hip hop or R&B, it's more like a vintage style beat. You see what me I say? More than likely it's a sample from something. I'm not sure, but that's what it sound like. But people, me I tell you, the ladies them love the tune. And you see what me I say? Me as a man, me love it and respect it. Said we said to it and me I said, damn girl, you see what me I say? But me say the ladies them have it on them status, them have it all about on them TikTok, on them everything. You see what me I say? Them Instagram. So the song a go. You see me? So big up all of the K-Mob fans them and big up Jada Kingdom. And ladies, you know what I mean? Make sure you support the artist. So check out Jada music and check out that song there. And plus she have other songs where in rotation right now. I see some other song where go around and you know what I mean? You know, put them down in the comment section and make people know which Jada song to check out and want to think about Jada as well. Now people with us keep it short and spicy today, so I say we not OD it. You saw me I say, so we're gonna left it right there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Big up on yourself. I'm out.